Uber Eats drivers keep 100% of customer tips, but base pay can swing heavily depending on distance, demand, and city. That means two drivers working the same 2 hours can make completely different amounts. By the end of this, you'll know where Uber Eats makes sense, where it doesn't, and whether it's worth your time in 2026. Short answer: it depends on your market and your strategy. If you treat Uber Eats like random side income, it can feel inconsistent. If you work peak hours and stack smart deliveries, it can work much better. First, the money. Uber Eats pays per delivery using factors like distance, pickup time, and local demand. Then tips get added on top. That sounds simple, but expenses change everything. Gas, maintenance, insurance, and taxes all come out of your pocket. If you make $100 in a shift but spend $20 on fuel and set aside money for taxes, your real take-home drops fast. That's the part new drivers miss. Second, flexibility. This is where Uber Eats is strong. You can log in anytime, work for 45 minutes, or work all night. No boss, no fixed shifts. That makes it useful for students, part-time workers, or anyone filling gaps between other jobs. But flexibility also means unpredictable demand. Lunch and dinner usually pay better than mid-afternoon. Rain, weekends, and holidays can spike orders. Tuesday at 2 p.m. usually want. Timing matters. Third, order quality. Not every delivery is worth taking. A $4 order going 8 miles can waste 25 minutes. A $12 stacked order going 3 miles can be much better. Experienced drivers decline low-value orders and stay near busy restaurant zones. That changes earnings more than most people realize. One downside is wear on your car. More miles means faster tire wear, oil changes, and repairs. If you're driving full-time, that adds up fast. Here's the verdict. Uber Eats is worth it for flexible side income, especially if you know your local busy times. It's weaker as a full-time income unless your market has strong demand. Quick recap. The money can be decent, but expenses matter. Flexibility is the biggest advantage. Smart order selection makes a huge difference. Your next step is simple. Track your first 20 deliveries and calculate your real profit after gas. That tells you fast if Uber Eats works in your city. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more gig app breakdowns.